I'm leaving!
Noah, wait!
Noah!
Where are you going?
Nobody believes me. I'm tired of being blamed for everything.
Noah, Ava, dinner is almost ready.
Okay, Mom. Noah did it! What? No, I didn't.
What happened here?
Noah knocked over the juice. That's not true.
Noah, you need to be more careful.
But Mom, I wasn't even near the table.
Please clean it up.
Okay. Ava, don't play ball inside. I know. Oh no! Ava! Mom!
What happened?
Noah threw the ball. What? Ava, you threw it. No, I didn't.
Noah, what did we tell you about playing inside?
Dad, please. It wasn't me.
Go upstairs for a while.
Why does nobody believe me? Just for a minute. Oh no! What happened?
Noah, did you touch my laptop?
Noah was using it. What? No!
Then why is it broken?
I don't know.
Enough, Noah.
But I'm telling the truth. You never listened to me. I didn't break the laptop. I didn't spill the juice. I didn't break the lamp. But everyone thinks I did. I just want to be alone for a while. I just want someone to believe me.
Noah, dinner is ready. Noah?
Noah? Noah? He's not outside! I can't find him anywhere!
Did you check Noah's room? He was just there. Noah!
Noah, where are you?
What's happening?
Noah ran away.
No. This is all my fault.
Ava, what's wrong?
Noah didn't spill the juice. And Noah didn't break the lamp.
Then who did?
Me. Me. I did all those things. I was scared. So I'm sorry. I lied.
Ava, you should have told us the truth.
Now Noah thinks nobody loves him.
We need to find him.
Right now. Noah!
Where are you?
Noah! Noah!
Noah!
Noah, where are you?
Noah! I'm so sorry. Why did you blame me? Because I was scared. I didn't want Mom and Dad to be angry with me. But I made everything worse.
Noah,
I'm so sorry.
We are sorry.
I just wanted you to believe me.
But Noah, running away is not safe.
I'm sorry.
If something is wrong, talk to us.
Okay, Dad. I'm sorry too. I promise I will tell the truth next time. I forgive you. Hi, friends! Today we learned an important lesson. Never blame someone for something they didn't do. And if you have a problem, talk to your family. Never run away from home. It can be dangerous. Blame, to say someone did something wrong.
Lie, to say something that is not true.
Truth.
Something that is true or correct.
Forgive, to stop being angry with someone.
Run away, to leave a place. What would you do if someone blamed you for something you didn't do?
Would you tell the truth?
Tell us in the comments.